This is the seemingly respectable domain of diplomats. But behind closed doors, some of the domestic workers they employ tell a different story.
Dia nggak ngomong, aku yang minta ke dia. Terus dia bilang nanti gitu aja.
Diane's former employers enjoy diplomatic immunity, a principle which protects them from legal action. In court this week, two domestic workers who say they were trafficked and mistreated by Saudi diplomats are challenging that principle.
Well, there are many complexities when you're dealing with diplomatic immunity and cases involving diplomats. Anybody who is the victim of a crime, and particularly modern slavery, which I'm responsible for, is a victim of crime. What we would want is for those victims to come forward.
Judges may be considering whether to lift diplomatic immunity in employment claims. But in some cases, diplomats are accused of physically and sexually assaulting domestic workers, crimes for which they have complete immunity from prosecution. And those aren't the only criminal allegations made against diplomats. There are currently 21,500 people in the UK with diplomatic immunity. In 2013, there were accusations of 14 serious offences by foreign officials with immunity. Those offences include sexual assault, rape, child abduction, and bodily harm. But is weakening diplomatic immunity in the UK's interests?
We send thousands of diplomats abroad every year. They are stationed in the foreign country. They can be interfered with. They can be, themselves subject to wrongful claims, wrongful actions, and diplomatic immunity is there to protect them.
The Foreign Office says it expects all diplomats to abide by UK employment and criminal law, and would in some cases demand the withdrawal of diplomats from the country. But people like Diane still flee secretly and in fear.
Mereka waktu tidur aku pergi. Sekarang ya aku sekarang yang senang, tapi kadang aku itu masih terbawa mimpi.
Diane has moved on, but the danger now is that others held as modern-day slaves at the hands of diplomats are being left behind. Afua Hirsch, Sky News.